Thursday, the 2nd of July, and we are packing up to go to Gayle's mom and dad's house. Mom and stepdad, Joyce and Toby. So we are getting the trailer together, putting everything up, and we are going to be leaving this gorgeous place. Good morning, Gayle.
Everything packed up, ready to go by 11. We got 28 minutes.
We already worked this morning, huh?
Okay, it's July 2nd, Thursday, and we're heading out of we're heading towards Diamond Lake, over the hill, Crater Lake, into Bend to get some kombucha, and then on to my mom's. We're a little low on gas, won't even know when the next gas station is, and no cell service. So hopefully we're not stuck. Well, we have a dirty rig with all the traveling, so guess what we found? A truck power wash place. Valley Pressure Wash, and they have a big rig in there right now just pulling out, and I think we're next. Yeehaw! We just got Lancy all washed and clean. Keith's driving, and it's our first peak of the Cascade Mountain Range, which I love. That's where I'm from. You can see these so pretty. We're getting close to Bend, just left Lapine, and looking forward to seeing more of those beautiful mountains. Stopped at this beautiful elementary school between Bend and Redmond. Had some chicken wings. We were starving. And Lancy's looking gorgeous. She got washed up. I did her windows, and we're ready to go call my mom and say we're almost there. Star, come here. Star, come here. Come here. And there's Star. Woo! Green grass, green grass. Hey, girl. Hey, girl. Say hi. Are you excited to be on green grass in Oregon? That is a perfect stopping place. So we're coming into my little hometown. It does have a huge airport here. For a little, that's funny. I just put in the Redmond Airport, and so Keith was getting off. But
In the navigation.
In the navigation, so he was following Lancy's box. Anyways, here's my little hometown I grew up in. It's getting bigger. So that little restaurant over there called Sherry's used to be called Monty's Walk years ago in the 80s, and that's where I worked. My second job, I think. Okay, here's the Redmond sign. There it goes. Sisters. We're heading to Madras. This town used to have one little yellow light back in the day, but now it's got two main roads. There's the main center for Redmond. We're heading out to Terrebonne. So we're coming over the hill to Terrebonne. See those rocks out there? It's called Smith Rock State Park. It's a famous, world famous climbing rocks. And I used to live right across the street from them in elementary school. Okay, we're pulling up to Mom and Tobe's house. This is not the house I grew up in, but this is the house that they downsized to for retirement. You can imagine the shock I saw when it was not this single story house. They decided to buy this house, 2-story with all the land. That's what you do when you're 75 going on 80. Okay, we have arrived to Mom's beautiful oasis. Say hi, Mom.
Terribly cold.
Hi. And TTT from Terrebonne. Terrible Tobe from Terrebonne. Say hi, Tobe.
Hi.
The Star is just loving Mom's backyard. She's went everywhere. She's already picked out her favorite rock. She's already chased off the birds. This is her territory now. That's where the doves and the blue jays used to go, but now she's in charge. Pretty girl. But I don't have a green thumb like this woman. She just makes everything so pretty. I've only been here, I think, 3 years now. Things are starting to come together. And the sun's about to go down. Okay, you ready for me to throw your duck? You're so cute here. You're so cute. Get it, girl, get it. Crazy girl, crazy girl. You're having a good old time in Grandma's backyard, huh?
We're here at Gayle's parents' house, and I went to their smart TV and I put in working RV on YouTube, and we came up #1. So only after a couple weeks, the name works well for search engine optimization. Working RV. You can see I'm not signed in there. And we're number 3. So that's pretty cool. So you can follow us just by typing in Working RV, but please subscribe. We need 1,000 subscribers. That's our goal. Then we can monetize this and keep going. It is 4th of July and we have the motorhome parked here next to Gayle's parents' house. And got a little bad news. The bathroom and the bedroom lights burned out, and I saw the fuse was burnt out, so I put a new fuse in a couple times and it just keeps burning out. So I had to get a mechanic, mobile RV mechanic, to come out and look at that, and still the backup cameras weren't working, so both were electrical issues. I thought we'd get them fixed at the same time. And so far, fixing the bedroom lights, he's troubleshot every appliance on that circuit, and he can't seem to find the problem. He's thinking he's gonna have to open up the walls. Now that is gonna be a nightmare. So stay tuned, we'll see what happens. But this has to be fixed. We have to have lights in the bedroom and the bathroom, and we have to have that backup camera. So we'll see what happens here. Turned out to be bad news. Could not fix the bathroom lights and could not fix the backup lights with any simple fixes. He thinks maybe it's a whole wiring harness, which means we are headed to a RV mechanic shop, which we'll probably have to put the RV in for a couple days. But from here on out, we don't have any exact plans, so we'll go with the flow. Repair guy left, but I guess it's repair day. A bunch of stuff came that I ordered while I was on the road to come to Gayle's mom's house. One of which is a remote switch that looks like this. And I am gonna put that behind this television so that we can turn this box on and off with that remote, because you can't get to it, it's built in. You can get to it, but you have to take it all apart, so that we don't hear the satellite dish look for a satellite all night long. So I'm about to take out this whole television. I was hoping that I could just slip this right underneath there, but no, not enough room. So I gotta take out all these screws on both sides, pull out the whole TV, but then it'll be done for good. So here I go. Project number 1 for the day for me, after having the failure of the electricity, but let's just get these done. There's no way to film that, but Gayle and I pulled that whole television out, which is not easy. And behind there, we put a remote. And if you watch now, that green light right there, on and off, and on and off. That will turn off the satellite dishes above our head. Mission accomplished. In Gayle's parents' town here, and it's 4th of July, and they've lined the street with flags. Look at that, very pretty. Say hi, Gayle. She's driving. She's our chauffeur.
Redmond, Oregon. Home of the...
Okay, so I am with Gayle and her family.
I'm taking a picture.
I know, it was a little video bomb. So tell us about our day. What are we doing today? Well, we started off at looking at a motorhome, and Toby decided that wasn't for him. It was an older motorhome. And then we went and looked at the flags. Right, now we're all enjoying a glass of wine in the sunshine. And we're at the General Duffy bar, and they've got all this fun stuff. But anyway, Gayle looks beautiful with her family. I just wanted to get this on video.
Take a picture of us. And what'd you just get us? You got us some tater tots. And what are you gonna do after your tater tot fest?
We're going to Naked and Afraid next.
Naked and Afraid coming up.
Who's gonna be afraid? The people on TV, I think. And we came to this, what do you call this, a secondhand store, Darcy?
Yes, Beyond the Rack.
Beyond the Rack, but it's all used stuff, right?
Till we meet again.
But, oh look, Gayle bought a beautiful belt.
And then guess what?
And what did we
Their
get?
hand sanitizer is
We got something for the microwave.
Now,
Oh,
you know you're
is that
Redmond,
tequila?
Yes.
Really?
When you're in Redmond,
That's so
Oregon,
funny.
Darcy.
I squirted that on my hands. I'm like, whoa, that'll give you a 502 right there.
Yeah.
So we're in this secondhand store after drinking a few beers. Antique store. So Darcy, this is actually going to be live. So tell us the website we can go to if we want to buy something.
Yes. Oh, antiques at beyond-the-ranch.com.
That's a long
Come see
URL. So for you that want to try to buy like a lasso or a whip or a bridle that you don't have, here is their card.
That's the owner. What's his name?
There
Rob.
it is.
Rob Anderson. So if you
Oh, there it
come
is.
through Redmond.
So we had a hoot here. Gayle bought a bunch of stuff. Toby had a good time. I bought a dish. And we got good discounts, didn't we?
Right on.
Right on. Okay, we got to check out now.
Okay.
Woo, bye-bye.
Dad's birthday. He's 79. No, 79. And Mom got up this morning and made him a homemade cake and butter pecan frosting. And guess what I get to do? No, I was gonna say hi to the birthday boy grilling on his own birthday.
Show us what you're grilling there.
Grill master.
You want to see in there?
Yeah, let's see it. Wow, some good old burgers. Yeah, that's the Provence from the lavender farm. Can you say Provence?
Provence?
Yeah, what is that? Fancy word for
Toby's 79th birthday. We just had some hamburgers and he's taking Gayle's bike out for a ride. Not bad for 79. Yeah, he's really loving it. Now he wants one for his birthday. What do you think, Toby? What do you think? Having fun? All right. All right. Sure does.
Okay. Mom's front yard and Keith and Tobe on the e-bikes. And there's Mom. They're there. Okay, there's the boys on the e-bikes. Come on, Toby. Show us how it's doing.
Okay, so we had a great time at Gayle's parents' house. For those of you who saw the title and thought Gayle went home, well, she did go home. She just didn't go home. Gotcha. Okay, stay tuned for the next video. Do us a favor. A few hundred viewers have viewed it, but only 58 people have actually subscribed. Take 2 seconds, click the subscribe button. It will really help us. If you click on the bell, it'll email you when we put up a new video. Other than that, printbusinesscards.com, businesscardmanager.com. We're still only at 50% of what we were doing before COVID hit. Help us out, buy your business cards there. Stay tuned for the next video. Thanks for watching.